Hello, and welcome to our channel Tech Titans. In this video, you will come across the best 3D printers on the market for 2020. Let's find out the most reliable and efficient printer on our list, which will enhance your printing experience. Our review will cover design, properties, supporting technologies, and everything you need to know to pick up your most efficient 3D printer. Be sure to watch until the end for complete insight. If you like our video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell. Also, don't forget to press like, and we welcome your comments. We will start our review with a high-performance desktop 3D printer, Lulzbot Mini 2, engineered and built for keeping pace with growing production demands. Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printer is an adaptable, versatile, and high-performance desktop 3D printer, engineered to deliver you the premium results. The legendary Lulzbot is versatile, reliable, and easy to use. Compact, portable, and scalable Mini 3D printer offers numerous upgrades from its previous version. The 3D printer consists of innovative belt-driven Z-axis for better print quality, and graphics LCD controller for tetherless 3D printing. The Lulzbot printer also has genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder, and reversible glass heated print bed. With the presence of Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper motor drivers, and premium Agas polymer bearings, the Lulzbot Mini 3D printer promises whisper quiet printing, which makes it the best fit for various areas. The Mini 3D printer works with Cura Lulzbot Edition software, and makes 3D printing easy with pre-configured profiles for over 30 materials. The Lulzbot features 20% larger build volume and multi-material printing too. The Mini 3D printer also works with proven self-cleaning and self-leveling technology. With all the efficient printing features, the Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printer is a perfect addition to classrooms, offices, libraries, and workshops. Lulzbot Mini 2 is a perfect match for anyone looking for a sturdy, reliable 3D printer at a reasonable price point and easy setup. The next best 3D printer on our list is the elegant and durable Elegoo Mars, offering better quality and resin printing. Elegoo Mars is suitable for anyone to use, even though you have never used a 3D printer before. Elegoo Mars comes with a sturdy structure of the all-aluminum fuselage plus an acrylic cover, which is elegant and durable. The photo-curing LCD 3D printer, Elegoo Mars, possesses excellent industrial design, which makes it user-friendly. The 3.5-inch color touchscreen equipped with the latest Elegoo ChichuBox 5.0 system makes it easy for offline printing. The build platform with a steel ball balancing structure of this resin 3D printer allows you to start printing within 5 minutes after assembly. Elegoo Mars uses a 2K HD masking LCD to provide accurate printing with high resolution. Elegoo Mars comes with the latest version of ChichuBox slicing software, which gives you extraordinary user experience. ChichuBox allows you to hollow out your model before slicing, that could save your resin during the photo curing process. Equipped with 40 watts Elegoo Mars UV lights and Elegoo resin, the 3D printer features better quality resin printing. Elegoo Mars is adaptable for anyone to use even though you have never used a 3D printer before. The third most wanted 3D printer on our list is the affordable and fantastic large volume 3D printer offering excellent print quality, the Tevo Tornado. The Tevo Tornado is another affordable and impressive, large volume 3D printer made by Tevo. The Tornado 3D printer comes 95% assembled, which requires a minimum and easy assembly from your end. Built with an aluminum frame, Tevo Tornado has a compact and small all-in-one power box with an LCD screen. Its material type can be ABS, carbon fiber, flexible filaments, PEEK, PLA, PVA, or wood. The 3D printer also includes a Bowden-style Titan extruder with improved HO10 design. The Tornado 3D printer features a heating plate of 60 to 110 degrees Celsius, and operates at an ambient temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. The Tevo Tornado printer accepts connection via transflash card or USB, and prints at 50 microns accuracy. It has an excellent printing quality and high transverse speeds, with the fast heating AC heat bed, having a maximum print speed of 150 mm per second. If you work in the product structure design industry, like toy modeling, architectural design, fashion jewelry design, parts manufacturing, and education, Tevo Tornado 3D printer is the perfect printer for your use. Tevo Tornado is the perfect choice for the product structure design industry, architectural design, and customizable part manufacturing industries. Coming up, we have Onet A8 Plus, which stands up to the new class of affordable FDM 3D printers providing top quality prints. An upgraded version of Onet A8, Onet A8 Plus, comes with many upgraded features. Onet A8 Plus is remodeled with larger build area, aluminum frame, designed motherboard, extruder feed, belt tensioning and much more. The LCD, the magnetic movable panel brakes, and knob-style buttons add up the ergonomic design of Onett A8 Plus. The upgraded structure and all-metal body of Onett ensure more stability and high precision to your job. The upgraded hotbed of Onett A8 Plus comes with a glass panel that facilitates smooth printing. Added designs of overcurrent protection and short-circuit protection are a part of the upgraded motherboard of Onett A8 Plus. Onett A8 Plus has an upgraded printing size and enhanced filament function with automatic loading and unloading. Using the patented extruder structure, the filament extruding is smooth with Onett without any clogging. Moreover, the tightness of Z-axis and Y-axis belts in Onett can be freely adjusted, and are more convenient to use. Onett A8 Plus is a 3D printer that is an excellent gift for your choice. If you want to own a large volume 3D printer, which is more convenient to use, Onett A8 Plus is the right choice for you. We hope you liked all the previous choices of the top 3D printers on our list. Coming up, we have Anycubic Photon S, which is the best 3D resin printer available right now. An Anycubic Photon S 3D printer provides excellent print quality and simple user operation, making it the perfect choice for detailed prints and fewer costs. The Anycubic Photon has a unique structure that offers more ease to leveling. The Photon S 3D printer comes pre-assembled, with all the proper tools to get started. The sanded aluminum platform and the touchscreen offer a new level use experience. The dual Z-axis rail of the resin printer makes the bed very stable, to ensure the foundation does not shift in the middle of printing. The upgraded UV lighting of the Anycubic Photon S improves the resolution and produces detailed printouts. This 3D printer is equipped with dual fans for excellent ventilation, and applies activated carbon air filtration, reducing the divergence of odor. The Anycubic Photon S supports offline print with its built-in operational system. The quick slicing technology of Photon Slicer brings more accuracy for leveling. Anycubic Photon S 3D printer is an affordable resin printer, providing an extraordinary printing experience. If you are looking for a 3D printer that provides an excellent print quality and simple user operation, Anycubic Photon S is a perfect choice under budget. The next best 3D printer we feature is the Zeiss Printing DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro, which lets you create exotic prints quietly at home or office. XYZ Printing DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro is a desktop 3D printer, designed to print quietly at home or office. Its compact design makes the DaVinci printer a perfect companion for any office or workbench. You can improve your workflow by having your printer in arm's reach, monitor your print in real time, and start your next print immediately after the previous is done. With adjustable temperature settings, the DaVinci can print with any third-party 1.75mm polylactic acid filaments. You can easily adjust print settings to match your material with XY Sprint. With a simple upgrade to hardened steel nozzle, you can create exotic prints with DaVinci. The 0.3mm nozzle upgrade optional add-on creates a smoother print surface at a spectacular 50-micron resolution. The DaVinci printer uses an intuitive 9-point calibration detection system to print various resolutions. Your 3D printer's filament system lets you print with third-party materials. With its significant print volume, DaVinci XYZ 3D printer turns your creative ideas into reality. Zeiss Printing DaVinci Junior 1.0 Pro lets you improve your workflow by printing faster, having your printer in arm's reach, and monitor your print in real time. Now, we have Monoprice Select Mini V2, the best-selling and best community-rated 3D printer in the world. Monoprice Select Mini V2 is a 3D printer that is ready to print out of the box, at a low cost. The Monoprice printer comes fully assembled, but it has also already been calibrated at the factory. This mini 3D printer features an all-metal nozzle, insulated and heated build plate, upgraded cooling, quick-release steel gear filament feeder, 3.7-inch IPS color screen, and wireless Wi-Fi connectivity. The heated build plate and wide range of extruder temperatures allow the Monoprice 3D printer to work with any type of filament from any manufacturer. You get the ability to use free open-source software in this printer that allows you to make your 3D printing experience to your tastes. The Monoprice Select Mini box comes with the complete kit with a bed scraper and micro STTM card, with preloaded model files. All you have to do is perform a quick check to verify that the print bed is still leveled, load the included micro STTM card, load some filament and start printing the preloaded model. With Monoprice Select Mini V2, you get an affordable 3D printing all time. Monoprice's rugged design and rigid quality control standards deliver high-quality prints at fair prices. Go for it. Next, we have the compact and lightweight FlashForge Adventurer 3, which offers high-quality printing. With a minimalist, lightweight, and compact design, FlashForge Adventurer 3 delivers high-quality printing. The FlashForge has an easy-to-set-up, detachable nozzle for ease of cleaning. The 3D printer has a rapid heat-up nozzle that can heat up to 200 degrees Celsius within 50 seconds. With built-in 2 million pixels Wi-Fi HD camera, the 3D printer features remote monitoring. The 2.8-inch touchscreen of FlashForge 3D printer provides simple operation and ease of reading of the printer's status. A 45 decibel noise level promises quiet printing operation of the FlashForge Finder. The FlashForge has an auto filament loading system. You need to put the filament in the inlet and wait for loading from the nozzle. The other loading and unloading actions operate just on the touchscreen of the 3D printer. The FlashForge also features a removable heated build plate that requires no leveling. With an intuitive and user-friendly design, FlashForge Adventurer 3 promises pleasant printing experience in classrooms, homes, and offices. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 is a pretty excellent choice, providing a pleasant printing experience for classrooms, home, or small office. Up next, we feature Dremel DigiLab 3D45 3D printer, a sturdy built 3D printer flexible for a first-time user to advanced professional to operate at any time. Dremel DigiLab 3D45 is a 3D printer that is engineered for anyone, from a first-time user to advanced professional to operate at any time. The 5-inch full-color touchscreen of the 3D printer helps you to navigate through different functions. With easy-to-use features and sturdy build, you can go from unboxing Dremel 3D45 to printing within minutes. You can easily connect the 3D printer to Wi-Fi, and use the included remote printing software to send prints from wherever you are. With an all-metal 0.4mm nozzle and a removable glass build plate of DigiLab, you can print almost any 3D filament with ease. The built-in HD camera of the Dremel 3D printer features remote print monitoring. The DigiLab sensor detects any variation in the print bed, paving way to the automated 9-point leveling. Rapid tagging of Dremel 3D45 auto detects filament type, adjusts nozzle, and build plate temperature to optimized settings. The Dremel 3D printer has the Dremel slicer that is used to print multiple objects at a time, add supports, change layer height, change infill, and even access advanced settings. Bagging 2018 to 2020 PC Mag Editor's Choice Award, Dremel DigiLab 3D45 3D printer promises reliable and precise printing, making it the best 3D printer for product designers, engineers, and classrooms. If you are looking for a 3D printer that can be used to print multiple objects at a time and present you tons of other unsurpassed features, go for Dremel DigiLab 3D45 3D printer. Now, we have our final product. We are presenting you with the easy-to-use and beginner-friendly Monoprice Voxel 3D printer. Monoprice Voxel 3D printer is a unique, easy-to-use, beginner-friendly 3D printer. The Voxel has a quick change nozzle that allows you to change the nozzle in seconds without needing any tools. The removable, flexible build plate of MP Voxel can be heated to temperatures up to 60 degrees Celsius. You can easily replace it if it becomes damaged, or can swap in a second build plate to start a new print immediately after completion of a project. The Monoprice 3D printer has a simple menu system displayed on a 2.8-inch color IPS touchscreen. The assisted bed leveling of the Voxel makes setting up the print bed as easy as a single tap to the touchscreen interface. The Monoprice 3D printer facilitates auto feeding with a filament sensor that makes loading filament simple. The Voxel features 8 GB of internal memory for storing 3D models, a USB port for connecting a flash drive, and a Wi-Fi radio with a hotspot option connecting your PC, and a built-in camera for monitoring print operations. The Monoprice Voxel 3D printer comes fully assembled, delivering remarkable results. If you are looking for a flexible 3D printer that lets you start a new print immediately after completing a project, go for Monoprice Voxel. Thank you for watching our list of best printers. These are the best and most incredible 3D printers that will ensure high-quality prints at comparatively low costs. Be sure to check the links of all products in the description below, so you can have a detailed look and purchase your preferred 3D printer. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell. Be sure to like and comment on your thoughts below.